today, I went to my cousin's work because she had a guy who was coming in and was going to be detailing cars. You know, I didn't really know what to expect, really, because my car's always nasty. I have 4 fluffy kids. McDonald's French fries. So, holy cow, though, y'all. Do you see a McDonald's French fry back there? I don't. Nope, do not. This guy, literally, poor guy, I feel so bad for him, spent 3 hours on my car. But he did an amazing job. My car is white. It looks white again. Doesn't look like poop brown. I can no longer drive the back roads because I do not want to get dirt on my car. So I'm taking my paved road. And normally I take, I'm just going to chill here because I don't know who's coming down this road. And so, anywho, what happened was, I expected, you know, for it to take a while. 3 hours. Oh, it's dirty. Videos to come of the inside and outside. That's pretty damn nice now.